This is Robert Plank from backupcreator.com, and let me show you how to back up your WordPress site so that way you have a copy of it in case something happens to it and you can restore it somewhere else. The tool we're going to use today is not just WordPress but also the plugin called Backup Creator, which you can get at backupcreator.com. Go to the web page, go to the bottom, and you can get the $7 version if you just want to backup and clone, or the $47 version if you want things like Amazon S3, Dropbox, and Google Drive. So let's get the $7 version for now and check out Backup Creator. Once we're in the members area, then you see three things that are important: your license key, your email address that you use to register the plugin, and then the plugin itself, which is, I have the Ultimate Edition right now. As we said, the Express version just backs up and clones. Ultimate version backs up to Amazon S3, Dropbox, and Google Drive. So what we can do first is we want to figure out what site to back up, and we want to download this Backup Creator plugin and install this as a plugin on that backup site. I'll right click and save link as, and I'll put this on my desktop right here so that I can use it in a second. So I've downloaded the Backup Creator plugin. Now what we'll do is for the site to back up, let's back up this site here at websiteremote.com/blog, just some blog where we have our WordPress site, and the place we're going to put it is going to be one of my test sites at membershipnewbie.com/Robert. If I go to membershipnewbie/Robert, actually, let me refresh this. I go to Membership Newbie Robert. That's more like it. 404 are not found. There's nothing at that location. So what I do is I go to the blog I'm going to back up. In this case, it's Website Remote blog. And I want to log in. So if you have a login link there, click that. If not, you just add wp-admin to the web address of your blog. So I'm going to log into my Website Remote blog. I'm now logged in. Click on plugins, and right now we don't have the Backup Creator plugin on this particular blog. So we go plugins, add new, upload plugin. Once again, that's plugins, add new, and then upload plugin. So now we're at this screen where we're asked to upload a plugin. I'll click on choose a file, and I'm going to browse to this file that I just saved a minute ago from the Backup Creator members area. Left click it once, click open, click install now, give it a second. It's going to ask for my details to log in to upload the plugin itself. So let's give it that, installing the plugin, all that good stuff. And now the plugin is on there, the plugin is on there. We click on activate, and now we're here. Now it asks us for that key, for that Backup Creator stuff we had a second ago, and I think I closed the tab. So let me log over here and grab my information. So I'm going to go to this Backup Creator members and left click the license key here, paste it in there, go get the email, highlight, left click and copy, and then paste it in there. All right. Now Backup Creator is ready to go. Before doing anything else, let's just click on Backup. Click Backup this site. Takes you 2 seconds, and now that's already done. In literally a second and a half, it now created a backup of our site. Now what do we do with this? Well, a couple things. Is first, we can click on this full backup, click on that, and see how it's now saved it to my hard drive in about 10 seconds. So now, even if something happened right now, now I have a copy of my site. Well, in 11 seconds or whenever this gets to 99 megabytes. So I can do that. The next thing I can do is if I want to have an offsite copy of that backup, it's just one click away, send to cloud. Click on that, and in Backup Creator, we give you 1 gigabyte of cloud storage. So 1 gigabyte of storage offsite where you can do anything that you want. So we give that 13 seconds. So now we have 3 copies of our website, right? The actual website, the copy on our hard drive, and now the copy in the cloud. And if I go back to my backups and I click on restore from cloud, give that a second. Well, cool. Now I have these copies of my backups, and if one of them gets too big, I can just delete the ones that I don't want. Then in my Backup Creator members area, I can click on this license key tab, and I can scroll down and check it out. Now I have my copies of my cloud backups. Here we go. Now I have the website remote backup, and if I ever wanted to get this backup later, I could download this, or if I wanted to, get rid of it if it was old, or I could even restore it on another site. Let's restore the backup on another site. That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm going to log into my test site, to my cPanel area. I'm going to log into that one. And then once I'm here, I'm looking for an area called QuickInstall. So it's way down here, but here we go, QuickInstall. And there's a lot of stuff to click on, but I just want to scroll down and install WordPress. Okay, so QuickInstall, install WordPress. Here we go. And then I just want to install WordPress. So I had to find install WordPress twice. And in this drop down, choose the .com name. I'm going to set this up at membershipnewbie.com/Robert to see if the backup's good, to do some test changes. And a lot of people, they will back their site up, restore it on over on a test site, change the site around, back that test site up, and then restore it back on the original, if that makes sense to you. And I'll put in my details here, and I'll say Robert test site, and I'll put in some username. Click on install WordPress and close this advertisement. So at least in cPanel web hosts and in HostGator, that's the quick install area where I can just go and install WordPress. And then now it says WordPress is here, log in with this username, log in with this password. I'll click on that, and I'll make sure to left click, that way there's a tab, leaves this open. So I want to log in with Robert Plank, one word, and then this password here, so I can hold it down, right click and copy, go over to the password and right click and paste. Now I log in, and I'm on this membership newbie/Robert site. If I visit the site, there's nothing on it. It says hello world, bunch of sample stuff. So cool. I have a blank WordPress site set up at membershipnewbie.com/Robert. I want to restore the clone onto this site. So I can go to this dashboard, and I want to add the backup creator plugin. So I go plugins, add new. I go upload plugin, choose file, find the backup creator file I saved early on from the members area, click install now, activate the plugin, and this time it filled in my details since I have it logged in another tab. And so now we're ready to do a couple things. Now before we clicked back up the site, this time we want to restore, and so we could click on restore from file upload and browse. We don't want that. We want the big file that we downloaded. Click on restore from URL, and we can say restore from cloud. And here's the backup creator backup. We can click on that and restore, and now that would pull it out from our cloud storage. And one final way we can copy the site over, probably my favorite way, we can click on back to the original site, website remote/blog. And we can see that there's this zip file right here, right? We can right click and copy link address. All right. Now being very careful to keep in mind which site we're on. So on website remote, we right clicked copy link address. On our test site, which is membership newbie, I'm going to right click and paste. So what is this doing? Well, it's saying let's grab the backup file directly from website remote/blog, pull it over and restore. So we're on our test site, this Robert test site, and we're about to restore the backup we made on website remote. So let me go back here once again. We went to website remote/blog. We looked at a recent backup we had just made with backup creator. I right click, I copy link address, I go back here and I right click and I paste this in. So this will pull the file directly from website remote. Making sure we're on the test site, restore from backup, say OK. And this will take about 49 seconds, about 26 seconds, about 8 seconds. It keeps getting faster and faster, pulling the file from the other site. And so we found the site, and now we're going to unzip and do all that cool stuff. And in just a couple of seconds from now, we should have a copy of that website remote blog that we just created. So cool, all done, all in a couple seconds, all in about 22 seconds. It pulled the backup from the other site, restored it, and if I click on visit restored blog, we're at membershipnewbie.com/Robert. But check it out. Now we have all of our theme, plugins, logo, video, all that from the other site. And we can, log into that clone of a dashboard and all that cool stuff. But that is how you back up and also copy a website. You grab the Backup Creator WordPress plugin and you install it on the site you want to back up, and then you back up the site. Then, and if you want to put it on cloud storage or save it, that's cool. Do both, I would say. Then install Backup Creator on the site to restore, and then pull it back any way you want it to. You could pull it down from cloud storage, you could upload it from your desktop, or even transfer it from one site to another as we showed you. I'm Robert Plank from backupcreator.com. That's how you backup, clone, restore, move, copy, migrate your WordPress sites using our backup plugin.